Hello, friends. Imagine an object so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp, a force so extreme that it bends time itself. Welcome to the most mysterious and terrifying entities in the universe, black holes. For decades, scientists have tried to unlock their secrets, but the more we learn, the stranger they become. Could black holes be portals to another universe? Are they destroying information or storing it? And what would really happen if you fell into one? Stay with me until the end, because what we're about to uncover will leave you questioning everything we know about reality. What is a black hole? To understand black holes, we need to go back to one of the greatest minds in history, Albert Einstein. In 1915, Einstein's theory of general relativity predicted that space and time could be bent by extremely massive objects. But something even stranger emerged from his equations, a point of infinite density, where the laws of physics completely break down. This is what we now call a singularity, the heart of a black hole. But here's where things get even weirder. A black hole isn't just a massive void. It's surrounded by a boundary known as the event horizon. Once anything crosses this point, it can never return, not even light. That's why black holes are invisible, completely black against the backdrop of space. How are black holes formed? Most black holes are born from the violent deaths of massive stars. When a star many times the mass of our sun reaches the end of its life, it undergoes a catastrophic explosion known as a supernova. If the core of the star is dense enough, gravity will crush it down into an infinitely small point, forming a black hole. But not all black holes are the same. There are stellar black holes, formed from dying stars. There are supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times the mass of our sun, lurking at the center of galaxies. And then there are primordial black holes, tiny, hypothetical remnants from the early universe, possibly smaller than an atom, but with immense gravitational pull. What happens if you fall into a black hole? All right, here's the big question. What if you were unlucky enough to fall into a black hole? First, you'd experience an effect called spaghettification. Gravity near a black hole is so extreme that it pulls on your feet much stronger than your head, stretching you into a long, thin strand, like spaghetti. In a fraction of a second, you'd be torn apart at the atomic level. But that's not the strangest part. To an outside observer, time near a black hole moves incredibly slow due to extreme gravitational time dilation. If someone were watching you fall in, it would appear as though you were frozen in time, never actually reaching the event horizon. But, from your perspective, you'd fall in with no way out. The information paradox. Here's where black holes break our understanding of physics. In 1974, Stephen Hawking made a groundbreaking discovery. Black holes aren't completely black. They emit radiation, now known as Hawking radiation. Over time, this radiation causes the black hole to shrink and eventually evaporate. But there's a problem. Quantum mechanics tells us that information in the universe can never be truly destroyed. So, where does the information of everything that fell into the black hole go? If the black hole evaporates completely, does that information disappear forever? This is called the black hole information paradox, and it remains one of the biggest mysteries in physics. Are black holes gateways to other universes? Some scientists believe black holes might not be the end, but a beginning. According to some theories, what we see as a black hole might actually be a wormhole, a tunnel through space-time leading to another universe. Imagine falling into a black hole, only to emerge in a completely different reality. Could black holes be cosmic shortcuts through space and time? Could they even be the key to intergalactic travel? It sounds like science fiction, but some of the world's leading physicists take this idea seriously. The biggest black hole ever discovered. Let's talk about size. The largest black hole ever discovered is TON 618. This absolute monster is 66 billion times the mass of our Sun. Its event horizon is so large that it could swallow our entire solar system. But here's the real mystery. How did these supermassive black holes grow so enormous? Did they form in the early universe? Or is there something even stranger at play? Are we in a black hole right now? Here's a mind-blowing thought. Some scientists have proposed that our entire universe might actually be inside a black hole. Think about it. When matter falls into a black hole, it disappears from the outside world. But could it form a new universe inside? Some theories suggest that the Big Bang might have actually been the formation of a black hole in a higher dimensional universe. If true, then every black hole we see in the cosmos might contain an entire universe of its own. The future of black hole research. We're only beginning to scratch the surface of what black holes truly are. With advancements in space telescopes and gravitational wave detectors, we're getting closer than ever to solving these cosmic mysteries. In 2019, we captured the first ever image of a black hole's event horizon, a historic moment for science. And soon, with new space missions and powerful simulations, we may unlock the answers to the biggest questions in the universe. Final thought. Black holes challenge everything we know about physics, space, and time. They may hold the secrets to the birth of the universe, or the key to interdimensional travel. What do you think? Could black holes be more than just destructive voids? Are they the gateway to something beyond our comprehension? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of the cosmos.